Let's make this very fucking clear. Prophet only lives on righteous life. Yes, I President Domestic Embassy Shades driving on jet lead transportation. You know what it means. SEPTA, Southern Eastern Pennsylvania Transportation Authority. We going places, motherfucker. You know we got Boeing, me and Delinda Moon. Yes, Rebecca. Yeah, Apple Delinda and the mentally the dude with Buddy Whiskers. Yeah, we got Boeing. So we gonna be making Scepter airplanes. So we gonna travel to A to B, back to A. Yeah, I'm putting it out on the Vision Quest now. I'm the Vision. And the Quest is making airplanes in the name of SEPTA by the order and direction of Domestic Emmett Exchange, President of the United States of America. Yeah, you see me at 4th of July, boom, at Deuce Parkway. You see me taking flex, pussy galore, all that. Prophet only lives on righteous life. Believe that. President of the United States of America. Believe that. Consultant Circle DW9587. Believe that. iSpace IC Intelligence CM5589. Believe that. Believe that. I'm just here just flabbergasting on you cats. Ooh, you're decadent, mentally, spiritually, and physically.